Ashewo, awusha, awusha, ashewo, ashewo, awusha, boom boom.
Weleke baby, weleke baby. Who dey breathe? Just na scatter everywhere. I don't wanna look my back now. Wanna check her now. The thing don't be here. Oh baby, shake it, shake it, shake it. I bet turn around, me see. Turn around. Oh, wow. This one sweet me. Balance. Fresh. You see this fish here? Boy, you know how to locate her. See where this guy dey piece. The thing are like this.
What do you mean by that?
The thing is set. The fish done. I said this one go scatter house. He go scatter all the corner. I beg you. Wanna help me? Open door, wanna honey see for this guy when they cool down. I beg, my body dey hot. Go that cigar. Alpha, fine boy. Just stand up, eh? Go through that door. First door by your right. Enter. AC dey on. Make you just dey cold. If they come. Now me go fair go. I know they like this thing, no. I know they like camp. Now we go fair go now. After all, now they with until they break. Something they ring bell for our head. Una fair mad. I mean, this guy don't the hell now. I carry fish come, and I not go let me fair test the fish why I carry come. What they be this nonsense now?
Babe, calm down. You're the shan. I'ma ask you there. Babe, you know, sister, I don't already put club. What did you? I know nothing there inside. I don't wait for this business now. I found a beg now.
You will want help your ministry. I leave my house, carry fish come your house. Did they make math on top my own fish? Don't they read for your head? Now let me test the fish first.
Weleke baby. I beg customers, I don't come make a rush pick call. I'll join her very soon. I beg.
Which kind of call you make? You don't make for you now.
Customer beg na private call. Ma just sort them out. I'll come back. I beg. Quick go, man. Quick go. The earlier the better. Just play for me.
What is that?
Yeah!
Mommy, see you.
That's sweet, oh.
This man.